Hello and welcome back to Mindful Eating, healthy eating for the mind and body. Welcome back to my channel. Today I just want to show this very quick snack that you can have. As you can see, I've already prepared it already. So this snack I'm showing you right now is basically, here we have here some bananas that I've sliced and I've dipped them in chocolate. Now, if you're a vegan, you can use vegan chocolate. And obviously, if you have no sort of preference, you can use normal chocolate. And basically what I did, I melted the chocolate, dipped the banana into it, let it rest for a bit in the fridge, and then I added the desiccated coconut to it. And what I'm going to show you right now is basically how you can serve it. Now, this is a light snack that you can have throughout the day. As you know, the channel is based on healthy eating, and you can have it throughout the day, say as a mid-morning snack or something that you have just before your lunch, or even probably in the afternoon, or even mid-morning snack. And I've shown you, I'm going to show you here right now, basically how we're going to serve it. Now we're just going to layer this like this on here, like so. And we're going to basically show you what it looks like. Now this is what it looks like as a snack, and like I said, it could be a mid-morning snack, it could be something that you have just before your lunch. So let's say maybe about 11, if you have your lunch maybe just after 12:01, and you just have this. Now basically the calories for this would depend on the type of chocolate that you're using. Obviously, if you're looking to have a lower calorie rate with the chocolate, have a look at the chocolate that you're buying first before you decide to use it to dip it into the banana. And I used white chocolate, so that's why it looks like this, but you can use dark chocolate. And basically, like I said, you just cut your banana into slices, melt your chocolate off, then you dip your bananas into it, and then you add a desiccated coconut, leave it in the fridge for a few minutes. That's all you need. Or even you can put it in the freezer compartment maybe for about 20 minutes, 10, 15, 20 minutes, and then you pull it out again. And obviously you can have this, like I said, as a mid-morning snack. I mean, today's video was very short and precise, but mindful eating is specifically designed for those who want to have a better way of eating. People who are in their 40s, people who are looking to achieve a certain goal in trying to lose weight, stuff like that. Now, at the minute, the channel is still on how shall I put it? The channel is still fairly new. I like to continue to say thank you to everyone who's had the chance to see the channel on YouTube Shorts. I just wanted to say thank you for taking the time to have a look, and also to, just briefly like the channel. But for all those who are interested in mindful eating, continue to subscribe, continue to watch the videos, even leave a comment if you have any questions on the services that I provide with mindful eating. Please leave some sort of information, leave an email, just, continue to support. I will continue to share so much more information about what I'm doing here. I hope to upload another video very, very soon. I mean, this channel is just specifically designed for those who want to improve their diet and healthy eating. So this is the finished product here. I hope everyone enjoyed what I just shared. Obviously, it wasn't an in-depth video, but something very short and quick for those who want to continue to have something light throughout the day. And I hope to share more videos as well, and also continue to share what mindful eating is. Like I said, mindful eating is also a service that I provide for those who want to improve their diet and health and mental well-being. Please have a look at all the information on the channel itself. I've got the podcast as well called Mindful Eating. If you haven't heard of it, please take time to have a listen. And thank you again for watching today's video. Hello, and welcome to another video for Mindful Eating, healthy eating for the mind and body. My name is Carla Thomas. Welcome back to the channel. Today, I just want to do a very, very quick